So I see you got the hiccups.
Yeah, real bad.
Want me to hear them?
Yeah.
Close your eyes. Open them.